How to get lo-fi theme on Messenger. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can activate the lo-fi theme on your Facebook Messenger. Please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if this tutorial helps you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Messenger allows you to change your chat theme. There are a number of amazing themes you can choose from, but currently the lo-fi theme is the most popular. Let's see how you can get the lo-fi theme on your Messenger. But first, make sure that your Messenger app is up to date. Open the app. Now tap on any chat you want to change the theme of. Then tap here. Tap on theme. There are many themes to choose from. Some themes will be available permanently. Some will come and go with the trend, like this Doctor Strange one. Tap on the lo-fi theme to activate it. If you want to change the theme back to the default one, go back to themes, scroll down, and tap on monochrome. So this is how you can get the lo-fi theme on Messenger. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.